What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Kalia for those of you who do not know me, and thank you for tuning in today. So today I have a Fenty Beauty concealer and powder review for you all. I'm gonna let you know how it wears, what it's like, how much it costs, all of the good stuff. So if you want to see, as you can see, I have my bag from Sephora. It has all of the goodies inside. I did get more than just the concealers and the foundation, so I will be giving a little bit more detail about some of the other Fenty Beauty products. If you all are interested in seeing that, make sure you stay tuned. We'll get right into this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to be a part of the gang. You know, come back for future uploads because I will be uploading more content. Make sure you like this video if you do enjoy, and leave me a comment down below. Also hit that notification bell to be notified of future uploads. So starting off, I've got my big bag from Sephora, and I'm going to be using the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer first, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to take about that much, maybe 2 drops ish. So I thought I needed. And for those of you who don't know, this primer is the bomb. And in case you have like drier skin, it might work better for you because it is like creamy, and honestly it makes me feel like a little moisturized, like a moisturizer or something. But it is soft matte, it says. Next, let's get into this foundation. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I'm the shade 240. So shake her up. And I'm putting like 3 pumps on my beauty blender. That's how much I'm gonna start off with. Okay, so let's get into this concealer though. So Rihanna formulated I think it's 50 shades of concealer. Yeah, she has 50 shades of concealer, so a shade for every foundation. And what she did is that she matched the concealers with the foundation. So if you're a shade, like I'm shade 240 in the foundation, well, I will be shade 240 in the concealer as well. Now it's just a slightly lighter highlight under the eyes. It's nothing major. So if you want something a little bit lighter, you can go a shade or 2 or however many shades up that you want to go. You can go lighter than this. It's just, this is where you start off from. So you can either go up to highlight more, or you can go down to contour. So I'm going to show you all the difference in the shades. Okay, so this is my foundation and this is my concealer. So if you don't know, the foundation is matte, it dries down really quickly, and the concealer is creamy. So it's described as an instant photo soft coverage for all, long wear, light as air, and crease proof. But it definitely is on the creamier side, so it'd probably be good if you have drier skin. Like if you tried the foundation and you didn't like the foundation, you'll probably feel a lot more hydrated with the concealer versus the foundation. Also, if you are on the dry side, try using the foundation with the actual primer that she made it with. So the concealer is a little bit thicker, but it's thick in a good way. So it's good for if you still want that nice full coverage look, but it's hydrating, and it also won't budge, so it won't be moving and shifting around throughout the day. So I'm going to be setting under my eye with this ColourPop No Filter setting powder. Okay, so next I'm dipping into my Fenty Beauty highlighter. It is Trophy Wife. So this is the Kilowatt highlighter. Okay, so let's get into these powders. I picked up the shade Honey, and let me show you what she looks like. This is what she looks like, okay? She's very golden, she's very tan. So the last thing I picked up was this gloss bomb, and this is the Diamond Milk one. So this is the one, I think she released it right before she released Fussy. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this and pop it onto my lips. This one is just clear, it just has like sparkles to it. Okay, so my final thoughts on the concealer would be that I really like how full coverage it is. I like the fact that she formulated these to specifically match your foundation shade, so we don't have to sit here and be like, oh, let me get color matched or whatever. You can color match yourself. Like, I was at work the other day and this girl was like, oh my god, your skin is so beautiful. Like, she was just like, your skin is the bomb. Basically, I got so many compliments that day, and it was just like, you think this is my skin? Like, Rihanna. I'm shook, because anybody else would be like, oh, what foundation do you use, or like, what concealer do you use? But she was just like, your skin looks so good. Like, it really just looks like your skin. It is super lightweight too. The powder is super good. I like the fact that she came out with 8 shades. Like, girl, you're putting this on. But yeah, it sets really nice. It keeps my foundation on lock, you know. It's not going anywhere, and it smells good. Like, come on now, who doesn't want a powder that smells good? It does last all day. I told you guys before that I actually wore these concealers and the powder and everything out already to work one day, and I was out for like hours, and it really did last. My skin looked good by the time I got home. So after a 6-hour shift, and then maybe like I was chilling for about 2 hours, I looked at my face and I saw that some of the oiliness in my face was starting to come out. So probably around like here on my face is where I started to get oily, and around my T-zone and stuff like that. So like I had like a nice dewy kind of look to my face. I didn't look like oily or anything, or I wasn't really creasing. And I know a lot of foundations I can really crease up, because I do have a smile line like on this side of my face, and this concealer did the trick, and this foundation is the bomb. So if you have not tried the concealers, the powders, or the foundation, yeah, I definitely do recommend it. And make sure you look at the description box, because everything will be linked down below, so where you can find it. And yeah, girl, go get you some Fenty, because if you haven't tried it already, at least one of their products, your sleep. Like, Fenty is the bomb. It's the bomb. It's safe to say it's the bomb. Yes, I think everyone agrees. But no, really though, I just want to thank you all so much for watching my video. If you enjoy watching this, make sure you leave me a comment down below, like this video, and give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to see more content. I will be coming out with more videos. Of course, I won't leave you guys hanging. So make sure you subscribe for future videos and hit the notification bell to be notified of my future uploads. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.